yesterday naenda rochi sanduku chiri the procession, you will cry. Omuntu obwate enkoro y'abanyabantu, this must touch you. Entekego ikagego kume. Yaikirenga kibono, you cannot trust abana bao basoke siko bashigochesa. Nakito ikirase buna. You cannot trust abana bao batari siko. This is because of insecurity and lack of leadership as a Magana security. I can just it's painful. Umanori is 6 years 3 months. 6 years 3 months. Mano itakoko hosera. Mano itakokorama. Mano itakokera kende. If you had a grudge with the family, deal with the family, not that child. If you had a problem, maybe no mogondo was thank you was anything, deal with the family. Mano utako was anything. This child did not insult you. This child did not abuse you. Umaiko boka uira bana baria onyore asebari umaiko baira nyumba ibi umaiko bakorera what you did to them. The pain abana baibwete gocha gotandra abana barinsaria kobatandura. As a man, because it was not a child, but already the spans, but it's for an adult, that was wrong. You are defiling oyo moga iga oyo nde karoche. The death was not even painful. The suffering before the death, that was more painful. To my okiraga iga even to what the security. To my okiraga iga to even to what the people who are representing these children. Let us not take advantage yebi tokunebi toma kwenda tota ebana na tomira bantu bane korwa bisi bati ni nagari ba kuchibicha bagenda. After that, what did you do? What did you do after that? Nati wate ne toka konya bana and the family thereafter. Abanaba are girls. They are girls. Bako fole category ya gender, bako fole category ya children, bako fole category ya ladies. Do you expect me nkoregazi ya gender na ende nkoregazi ya the MP tomayo kora mangana security and you don't support? And yet you expect to come that you want to be favored, you want to be elected, you want to be taken somewhere. You must be embarrassed. You must be embarrassed. Narure Rongoria near 10,000. I've stood with these families. Tukagorachi coffin, they could not manage. We paid for whatever bills sharingo. We have been catering for people. I have sat with this family. I have cried with them. I want the administration, and this is a request. Tigato demand because it's also our right. These children must get justice. Ndogo tindika this child today to my kwenda kato kireto tebe mtatamangana you are. We must follow it to the end. Na what an enamba sigari bari, we are trying to follow torenga kiki neki yako. And I'll be with it until the end. At least for their respect and for justice, we must remember.